about where we are. So our left or our right? Somehow I stumbled on an article on the Wikipedia about geocaching, and I read through it 50 times. And they defined it as an outdoor sport that involved the use of a global positioning system receiver in order to find a geocache, which is a container placed anywhere in the world. That got me over to the geocaching site, and I think within 48 hours had our first find. Here, there's a little information that says there are 208,000 active caches located in 217 countries. This is a map available on the site that allows you to kind of visualize where things are hidden. So here we have a look at the greater Austin area. So they're all over the place. The most elementary hide, all you're going to get is a latitude and a longitude. North-south will always be latitude, and then east-west will always be my longitude. What a GPS receiver actually does is intercept radio signals from satellites orbiting in space that allow you to triangulate a certain latitude and longitudinal point on the surface of the Earth.
Sure enough.
And using those coordinates is how you go about seeking geocaches.
That is crafty. North 30, 25, 474, west 097, 47488.
GPS is telling us these coordinates are where we are with a margin of error of 15 feet in any direction. So from this horizon, we're hitting 7-8 satellites. Of course, you got to account for all sorts of things. These are only accurate to a certain number of meters, and then the person's GPS, when they hit it, was only accurate to a certain level of meters. So I've got a 50-foot radius here to be really thorough. So some people call it a sport. I don't know about that. But I consider it more of a hobby because it gets me out the door, puts me out in the sun, takes me to cool places. I never would have known about places like this if it weren't for this silly game. I'm looking for some sort of little niche in a tree or a pile of rocks or something that would best conceal something like that. As you do it for an extended period of time, you kind of get these deductive reasoning skills when you're actually out. And so if you're walking past a great looking stump or a giant tree with a massive amount of roots, you can deduce where someone would hide something like that. Well, about 170 feet that way. As the containers get bigger, it's a lot easier to spot where they'd be. So from this vantage point, it's pretty easy to see where the final container's hidden. Sure enough. Tom Clancy. Got all sorts of stuff. Filler braved the quest of Jogmere and solved the riddles with minimal effort.